author. And in the last videos, we have seen the models we have created. Now, after models, we will put the parameters, the name, author, and publish date in our model file. So we'll go to Visual Studio and add models, and we will open this. And looks like here we can put our parameter like for so this parameter would be protected, which is our keyword or managing the table name. We give a table name as it's yeah. So table name is books. Now after that, we would put this parameter protected in fillable. Okay. So when you do the fillable, it will automatically create the field in our model class and allocate model class, which is responsible for creating the relationships between the model. Okay, so now we will give here the name and single quote. So name, then author, author, then published, publish underscore date. So in this way we have created the model. And now if you want to check for the PHP development server, you can also give my admin. So for this, we have to start our development server here in our terminal. Okay, we can do it later. So now what we have to do is we have to create a model. Now we have to open the migration file. Okay, so migration file we can see in this folder, and by command line also we can check this. So checking the migration file, we have to check for the database folder in our Visual Studio. And in database, we will see the migration file, and this is our migration file. Okay, so this is the field. Now here we can declare it create books. This is our migration, and here we can define the parameter which we have defined the author. So we have the ID. Now we can copy this and three fields we have name, author, and published date. Okay. So first the string would be in the form of name. Okay. So we will give it as our name. Then similarly, the author also will be string, and the last one would be date. So that would be date parameter when the book will get published. So we will write it as published underscore date. Okay, and the next function we will see drop function, which will reverse the migration. So if we want to roll back the migration, we can use this schema function. And in this way, we have added the book name, author, and published date in our database table. Now, if we want to migrate it to the database, what we will do, we will write the command as php artisan and migrate. So that will migrate our file and with the new parameters. Okay. Let's see what error is coming. Okay, this is service development server started. Okay. Okay, so database name we have to define here. PTO constructor, info vendor. So table name also we have to give the base table here. So we have to check for the port number in our environment file before starting this. So let's check our migration table now. After refreshing, first we have to check our environment file in database configuration, and so environment file is located here, and here should be database name. So our database name should be table name is books, but in that case we have to write it as table name is book, database name is book. So this is on our DB database. Usually that we keep it as blank. That's for database memory. Okay, once this is made, we can see the command line interface. Now we can see the data. This if we put the fake data, so we can use a library called Laravel Faker. It's used for producing the right amount of data. So let's do that. So we'll write this PHP artisan and our terminal have to write this image figure and books figure. Okay, so CDF created successfully, and now we can test it in our sheets directly in our database directly. There's a folder called seeders, and here you can see the bit seeder. So successfully we have created the book seeder, and now here we can put it our Facebook. Thank you. We'll see in next video how we can put it into. Thank you.